So guys, I've been seeing this trending watermelon stew online and I've been wondering how it tastes. So today I decided to give it a try and share with you all my recipe. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where we explore African dishes. I'll be putting you guys through on how I made this mouth-watering watermelon stew. But before we get into the video, do not forget to subscribe. I love to marinate my protein before steaming, but it is totally optional. I added seasoning to taste, added some onions, my curry powder and thyme. I also added garlic and ginger, added my salt as well, and then I mixed properly and left it to marinate. And guys, here is our celebrity watermelon that is about to see the place of tomato in my heart though. I bet that if this comes out nice, I might just do away with tomatoes totally, because tomato shakara don't do too much these days. Oh, honestly, I can't even deal. So here I'm trying to de-seed the watermelon and get it ready to go into the blender. And you would want to chop it into pieces for easy blending. I was already steaming my meat at this point and it is almost ready to fry. And don't forget, you can use any protein of your choice. This was all I had at home at the moment and I decided to make do with it. To blend with my watermelon, I added my scotch bonnet pepper, atarodo and shombo as Yorubas will call it, and of course my garlic and ginger, and also some onions to spice up the taste. At this point, I was done blending and this is what it looks like, guys. Before frying my proteins, I always love to go in with some onions to spice up the aroma at least, yeah. This is just like the normal way you make your tomato stew at home. The only difference is we are using watermelon in place of tomato here. I added some tomato paste for thickener and redness, and I also fried it properly with some seasonings before I went in with my watermelon. So here I'm adding my meat stock to the stew, because why not? Very important. So guys, here I'm trying to cut my scent leaf into tiny pieces. You know the saying, do not use knife to cut your scent leaf, otherwise it turns black. I don't know if it works for you, but for me it does. So let me know your opinion in the comment section. So I added it to the sauce or the stew. I added scent leaf to the stew, and after this I added my beef. And guys, our watermelon stew is ready. I tasted this stew, guys, and in my opinion it's a 10 over 10. I'm not even capping, guys. This is so tasty, so delicious. Like, I think I prefer this to tomato stew. I use basmati rice for this, but you can choose to use ofada, any rice of your choice. And guys, let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.